Hi folks, Edward here. For more info about chimneys, fireplaces, and entrepreneurship, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, where you can find hundreds more videos, podcasts, and interviews with top industry minds. And stay until the end for more info about entrepreneurship basics and coaching. Now let's learn how to use FlashSeal in a flash.
FlashSeal is an elastomeric sealant specifically formulated for permanent adhesion to asphalt shingles, metal flashings, brick, and other chimney and roofing materials. FlashSeal is excellent for use in stopping problem leaks around the base of chimneys, stacks, vents, and anything else that penetrates the roofline. Repairing flashings that have been tarred over, cracked, or in general disrepair has never been easier. FlashSeal stays permanently flexible and has a 7-year warranty when used with FlashSeal reinforcement fabric. It is available in 3 colors: white, black, and brown. Here are the steps required to repair a chimney flashing. Clean the surface with a stiff brush to remove any dirt, dust, or debris. Start at the lowest side. Measure and cut enough reinforcement fabric to completely cover the area to be repaired. Leave 2 or 3 inches of fabric to wrap around the sides of the chimney. Using duct tape, mask off the roof and chimney. Leave about 1 inch minimum on both the top and bottom of the reinforcement fabric. Apply a heavy base coat of about 1/8 inch FlashSeal between the masked areas. Embed fabric into the base coat of FlashSeal and apply a liberal top coat, making sure to completely cover the fabric and extend to the edge of the tape. Cut a slit in the 2 to 3 inches of fabric so it can be wrapped around each side of the chimney. Do each side of the chimney in the same manner. After completing the bottom and both sides of the chimney, do the high side last, leaving a couple of inches of fabric to lap over the top of each side. Peel up the tape to complete the job. It's like installing a custom-fitted rubber boot at the base of a chimney. Whether you have been using Chimney Saver products for years or you are just discovering the benefits of becoming a chimney saver, keeping these products on your trucks will enable you to solve many of these problems as they come up. Your customers will be thankful for your knowledge and for solving their chimney leak and water damage problems for years to come.
If you're looking to learn more about entrepreneurship or running your own business, subscribe and follow the link in the description below the video to our website, mixgroupsonline.com, to learn more about one-on-one coaching or joining a mastermind group. Because it's always a great day for learning. Thank you and make it a great day.